children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about male words and female words, and also we learn how to write male words and female words in cursive handwriting. Okay, let's start. So for example, my mother drives me to school every day. Okay, it is a sentence. So in that, the word mother means a female parent. Okay, mother means a female parent. The word father means a male parent. Okay. Naming words of people and animals are either male or female. Okay. Naming words of people and animals can also be common words. So, naming words of things are known as neutral words. So, remember children, naming words of people and animals are either male or female. Naming words of people and animals can also be common words. So, naming words of things are known as neutral words. Today we will learn about male words and female words. So, first example is male word. For example, father. Yes. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Okay. So, female word for this? Yes, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Father, mother. Okay. Next, aunt. So, female word is aunt. So, male word for that? Uncle. Uncle, aunt. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. So, female word for this? Aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay. Next, prince. P-R-I-N-C-E, prince is a male word. So, female word for this? Princess. Yes. Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. Okay. Next one is the king. Male word? King. K-I-N-G. King. K-I-N-G. King. So, female word for this? Yes. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Okay. So, next, brother. Male word? Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. So, female word for this? Yes, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Okay. Okay. Next one, male word. So, peacock. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. It's a male word. Okay. Female word for this? That is? Yes. Peahen. Peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Okay. So, next male word, deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. So, female word for this, doe. D-O-E. Doe. D-O-E. Doe. Okay. Next male word is a lion. Lion. What is the spelling of lion, children? Yes. L-I-O-N. Lion. So, female word for this lion, that is lioness. Is that lioness? L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Okay. So, next one, male word, gander. So, gander means male goose. Gander, G-A-N, male goose is called as gander, G-A-N-D-E-R, gander. So, female word, female goose, we call it as what? That is goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Okay, gander and goose. Okay, next one. So, next one is the grandfather, male word. Grandfather. G-R-A-N-D, grand. F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather is a male word. Female word is grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grandmother. M-O-T-H-E-R, grandmother. Okay. And then next one is a male word, bull. B-U-L-L, bull. Female word for this, mare. M-A-R-E, bull and mare. Okay. So, repeat after me, children. Male word and female words. Father, mother. Uncle, aunt. Prince, princess. King, queen. Brother, sister. Peacock, peahen. Okay. Next, deer, doe. Lion, lioness. Gander, goose. Grandfather, grandmother. Bull, bull and mare. So, these are the some examples for male words and female words. Okay. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye-bye.